Looking for an energetic new best friend? This is Diesel, our boxer puppy here at Petland Racine.
Diesel's dad was 67 pounds and mom was 48 pounds, strong, well-balanced boxers. One thing that really sets Diesel apart is his temperament. Boxers are known for being incredibly loyal, loving, and people-focused. They bond hard with their families and love being involved with everything that you do. They're playful and goofy puppies, but also very intuitive, and they read their people well and make amazing companions. Boxers are confident and protective, which is why they're such great family dogs. And we have personally visited Diesel's breeder, who specializes in boxers. Seeing how the puppies are raised and how the parents behave helps ensure great temperaments and responsible breeding. If you're looking for your forever best friend, set up a reservation to meet Diesel today. He's waiting on his forever family.